4 zeros.
1, 2, 3, 4. There we go. You sure I don't need to take off?
Sure.
Okay. Wow. Oh, this is gorgeous. I love it. This is great.
Do you want a guided tour?
I'd love the guided tour.
Hi, my name's Pranita, and I'm so excited to check out this amazing mini hotel room. It's my first time here, and I'm really impressed by the quality of the materials, how livable the space is. I'm definitely very finicky about bathrooms, and that's a bathroom I would love to use, especially in some beautiful coastal getaway, to have this kind of a well-designed space to come back to and be very efficient. Seems great, so I'm really excited to get this installed at my property and be able to put it on Airbnb so other people can come experience this, and also maybe take it with them to check out more remote areas.
This Microhaus is very well thought out. I came because it looks to me like the future. I mean, we talk about affordable housing, and this looks affordable to me, and it's housing. It's definitely housing. So it looks to me like the future.
I've just looked at the house, the tiny house here in front of us. I'm very impressed on the quality of manufacturing, especially the stainless steel work, the woodwork, but also the outer shell, which is made of PVC, is it correct? And well, I wish you good success for it. I'm very positive.